I wanted to make a quick video just to show you how I'll be packaging up my Christmas ornaments that I made. I know a lot of you guys were asking me about, oh, well, how are you gonna give those to people? Well, I figured out a cool way, and you know I have to share with you because I share everything with you guys, because you guys don't know how lucky you are. I share everything with you. So right away, I'm gonna cut there's a little hole in them, and all you do is take the little hole out, put it to the side. So you grab your ornament. How cute is this? Okay, so we're gonna grab the ornament and we're gonna push it through here. Okay, bring your ornament through there, push it through the sides. How cool is this? And right in the middle, you're gonna grab the back of it and you're gonna just twist it up. You're gonna grab your clear bag. And you're going to push it in. Once you push it in, grab your bag as flat as you can. Bring the back of it, pull the little tape thing, grab it, and bring it up. And there you go. This one's a little crooked. All you have to do is take it back out. And that's it. What a simple idea. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have fun in making your ornaments.